Hello guys, welcome to my channel What Went Wrong. Today's topic is about the battery performance after install iOS 14. A lot of people actually complain saying that their battery drain faster after install iOS 14. So now I'm going to test it. I'm going to play Mobile Legends from the 100% and see how it performs, how fast it drains, and how long I can play Mobile Legends. So before I start, let's see my battery. My battery health is still 100%, so that's good. So I'm going to test it by playing Mobile Legends and see the result. So beside that, I'm going to use my another phone as a stopwatch. So let's play it. By the way, if you like what you see, so the time is start. So let's start playing it. Okay, I didn't connect to Wi-Fi, so I start again. So after 20 minutes, so let's see what is the percentage. 97, 93. I think it's still good. 20 minutes of playing still have 93% of battery. Only use 7. It only reduce 7%. Okay, after 45 minutes, let's see. 81%. 81%, 90%, almost the same. I think I can last for 3 hours. If based on this performance, I think I can play for this Mobile Legend for 3 hours, just the same as previously. So you see, 74% after 1 hour. 74% after 1 hour. Not bad. Okay. 52%. 1 hour. After 1 hour and 41 minutes, it's actually 52% left. This is quite good. Okay, after 2 hours of playing, my remaining is 41%. 2 hours of playing. Then I think I can still play another 1 more hours, which is exactly the same as previously. So before I install iOS 14, I can play 3 hours. So I think this up to bar is still the same. I can still play 3 hours of gaming after installing iOS 14. So now it's 20% below. So it's actually low battery, but then still have another 20 more minutes to see my I think it should be able to play until 3 hours. So my aim is 3 hours. If it successfully played for 3 hours, then it means that after update iOS 14, it doesn't change much. Maybe just slightly drain the power a bit, but not as much as I think it is. I thought the battery drained a lot, but then it seems like it doesn't drain that much. Alright, I think I stop here. Why? Because I play until 30%. So last time, so I just stop here. 2 hours and 55 minutes. So last time I can play 3 hours and 12 minutes when and the battery left is 12%. But now this one is really left 13%. And then 2 hours and 55 minutes. That's it. So basically around 20 minutes is gone. Yeah, 5 minutes and then another 12 minutes, 17 minutes. Yeah, so basically 17 to 18 minutes was gone. So the battery actually did drain a bit, but not as much as I thought. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel What Went Wrong. This will help me to make more content in the future. Thank you. Please stay safe. Bye.